If you're looking for a quick way to rapidly input all of your standard clip angles as well as your standard shear tabs by using a Excel spreadsheet for your standard parts model and Tekla structures, then the Standard Parts Creator tool by CMK BIM Consulting is for you. It's as simple as launching the Standard Parts Creator tool. Upon first opening the tool, what it does is inside of your model folder, it creates this standard parts folder. Two then default files with some examples are then created, and then you can open those up here in Excel, and then you can copy paste rows, change the mark, specify the number of rows of bolts, columns of bolts, edge distances, etc., as well as the slots. Fill all those in, include your mark, close that down here. You can do that both for angles and plates, and then simply come back into the standard parts model and say create standard plates, and then you just select that file, pick a location in your standard parts model, and then it just programmatically creates all of those parts. Let's go ahead and do angles. And then here you can see that within seconds it creates all of those parts, gives them the appropriate standard part mark here in the part prefix, and now you can use those into your production model. Then in your production model, you just link your advanced options, and then you also go to numbering settings, tell it to check for standard parts, and then from there you just go ahead and do a numbering. And then you select on those parts in the model, say inquire, and then we'll see here that it's now using that standard part mark. If you're interested in trying this tool, go to the Tekla warehouse and type in CMK BIM Consulting, and you'll see a variety of different extensions that you can use. Here we're looking for standard parts. We can then go and download and install that for version 2016 and newer, and you can try it up to 10 times for free before purchasing the tool.